As a throwback repair, this Digital Electronics Corp de-280a is an old-style vacuum fluorescent display we repaired a number of over the years. These typically are built into a machine and used for setting or status lines. This video is an older video taken in 2015 of a pair of these displays after being rebuilt. We were able to put this display into a self-test mode, which allowed us to check all the digits and characters for proper operation. At ERD, with decades of experience, we do not consider many things beyond our scope of repair. It may be decades old, but how many new products will be working day in and day out for that many years in the future? Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.